Okay. See, the enzyme Rubisco stands for. So, what does it stand for? Have you written it?
Yes, sir. Option A.
Yes, ribulose biphosphate carboxylase oxygenase. So Rubisco stands for ribulose biphosphate carboxylase oxygenase. Then which of the following characteristics out of A, B, and C are okay? 1 minute. So A, B, and C are exhibited by C4 plants. Kranz anatomy, the first product of photosynthesis is oxaloacetic acid. Both PEP carboxylase and ribulose biphosphate carboxylate act as carboxylating enzymes. The correct statements are, what are the correct statements? So Kranz anatomy is there. The first product of photosynthesis is oxaloacetic acid. So see, the all is the right answer. A, B, and C. Second one, all of them are the answer. That is A, B, and C. All the three statements are correct. Okay. So third one, which of the following is incorrect? C3 plants respond to higher temperature and show higher photosynthetic rate, while C4 plants have lower optimum temperature. Okay. So C4 plants have higher optimum temperature. This statement itself is incorrect. First statement incorrect ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. So A is the answer. So C3 plants never responds to higher temperature. So they are to the higher temperature C4 plants can withstand that tropical dry conditions C4 plants are found. So you are aware about that. So third one, the answer is A. Fourth one, in the leaves of C4 plants, malic acid formation during carbon dioxide fixation, they occur in the cells of. So where do they occur?
Mesophil, sir.
So, so epidermis, mesophyll, bundle sheath, phloem.
Mesophil, sir.
So mesophyll cells, it is the right answer. So mesophyll cells. So malic acid formation during carbon dioxide fixation occurs in the cells of mesophyll. So both Rubisco and pepcase are found in the leaves of C3 plants, all photosynthetic plants, dry tropical region. More than one option is correct. So both Rubisco and pepcase are found in the leaves of
Dry tropical region.
dry tropical region. C is the answer. Select the correct statement. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೂರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಪ್ಪಿರುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. The C4 plants do not have rubisco. This is a wrong statement. They do have rubisco. Carboxylation of RUBP leads to the formation of PGA and phosphoglycolate. ಸೊ ಇದು ತಪ್ಪಾಗತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾಸ್ಫೋಗ್ಲೈಕೊಲೇಟ್ ಆಗೋದು ಫೋಟೋ ರೆಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, so carboxylation of phosphoenol pyruvate, that is PEP, results in the formation of C4 plants. Okay, so the last one, decarboxylation of C4 acids, occurs in the mesophyll cells. So which is the correct statement in this sixth question? Carboxylation of PEP results in the formation of oxaloacetic acid. So initial accepting substrate is phosphoenol, pyruvic acid or pyruvate. So they accept the carbon dioxide, isn't it? So this is the correct statement. See, decarboxylation of C4 acids, they occur in the bundle sheath cells, not in mesophyll cells. Next one, assertion. Cam plants lack structural compartmentation of leaf has found in C4 plants. Stomata of cam plants are open at night and closed during the day. So what is this part of it? So both A and R are true. Are they true or not? Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of A. So reason is not the correct explanation of A. So B is the right answer. Okay. So choose the correct combination of labeling the carbohydrate molecule involved in the Kelvin cycle. So what is this that is involved here? RUBP alva. First is RUBP. So RUBP undergoes carboxylation to form the phosphoglyceric acid PGA, triose phosphate, third one. Okay, let us see if 1, 2, and 3. 3 ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು 2 ಇರಬೇಕು. 1, 2, and 3 they have this combination RUBP. Then see, it should be RUBP PGA triose phosphate. So this is the right combination. So D is the correct answer for eighth question. So eighth question, D is the answer. Hope you have all written that. The Kelvin cycle proceeds in three stages. First is carboxylation, second is reduction, third is regeneration. 3, 1, 2. So where do you get that 3, 1, 2? A is the answer. 3, 1, 2. First is carboxylation, second step is reduction, third step is regeneration. 3, 1, 2. Which of the following plants is not C4 plant? Saccharum munja, Triticum vulgare, Zea mays, Euphorbia splendens. See, Triticum vulgare, the wheat, is not a C4 plant, but Saccharum, that is another variety of this sugar cane. Zea mays is maize. Euphorbia splendens, they all exhibit C4 pathway. Plants living in hot, humid environment are hot and humid it is not dry. Okay, hot humid environment are C3 plants, CAM plants, C4 plants, all of these. So it is C3 plants. 11th one, the answer is A, C3 plants. See, it is not dry environment, hot dry environment, it is humid. Humidity is more in the atmosphere, so the answer is C3 plants. Kranz anatomy is typical of which plants do they Kranz anatomy is there? Which plants have Kranz anatomy?
C4, sir.
Yes. So C4 plants have this Kranz anatomy. So the answer is A. C4 plants ಅಲ್ಲಿ Kranz anatomy ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Select the wrongly matched pair with regard to C4 cycle. So which is the wrongly matched pair with regard to C4 cycle? So primary carbon dioxide fixation is PGA product. Site of initial mesophyll cells carboxylation. Primary carbon dioxide acceptor is PEP. C4 plant is maize. So select the wrongly matched pair with regard to C4 cycle. So primary carbon dioxide fixation. So in C4 cycle, does it PGA product agata ಅಲ್ಲಿ? That is wrong, alva. So primary carbon dioxide fixation is by the PEP, phosphoenol pyruvic acid. Okay. So the product that will be formed will be oxaloacetic acid. It won't be phosphoglyceric acid. So the A1, 13th A is the wrong statement. Mismatch it is. Last reaction of Kelvin cycle is regeneration of RUBP, isn't it? Last reaction of Kelvin cycle is regeneration of RUBP. So the 14th one, the answer is A. 15th one, in CAM plants, carbon dioxide required for photosynthesis enter the plant body during daytime through the lenticels, night through the stomata which are kept open, daytime when the stomata are open, so night when the hydatodes are open. So B is the answer, night through the stomata which are kept open. Okay, so that is the answer for CAM. So 15th one, B is the answer. In C3 plants, the first stable product of photosynthesis during the dark reaction is 3-phosphoglyceric acid. So that is a easy answer, easy question it is. So the 15th one is B, the answer. 16th is C. Okay, 15th is B, 16th is C answer. So 17th one, C4 pathway for carbon dioxide fixation was proposed by Hatch and Slack. Hatch et al. So more than one scientist idre ethanol anta use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Hatch et al is the answer for that. C4 plants are more efficient in photosynthesis than C3 plants due to higher leaf area, presence of large number of chloroplasts in leaf cells, presence of thin cuticle, lower rate of photorespiration. So which is the answer for this 18th one? 18th D is the answer, isn't it? So photorespiration ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Lower rate of photorespiration. So synthesis of food in C4 pathway occurs in chlorophyll of. So where does it take place? Bundle sheath cells ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ C3 pathway ಆಗೋದು, ಫುಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸಿಂಥಸೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So the answer is bundle sheath cells. Synthesis of food in C4 pathway occurs in chlorophyll of bundle sheath cells. Secondary acceptor of carbon dioxide in C4 plants is, which is the secondary acceptor? So it is the enzyme ಕೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, substrate ಆದರೆ RUBP, enzyme ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ Rubisco. So the 20th question, the answer is A. Which is secondary acceptor of carbon dioxide in C4 plants is? Okay, the answer key they have given PEP. I don't know, this probably is a confusing part of it. For me, maybe the typographical ಇರಬಹುದು. RUBP is the answer. Secondary acceptor ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Primary acceptor of carbon dioxide is phosphoenol pyruvic acid. Secondary acceptor is RUBP. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ typographical error ಇದೆ. RUBP is the answer. B is the answer for 20th, not A. Then 21st, in C4 plants, carbon dioxide fixation is done by sclerenchyma, chlorenchyma, and hypodermis, mesophyll cells, guard cells. So carbon dioxide fixation is done by what? So the mesophyll cells. In case of C4 plants, the carbon dioxide fixation is done by mesophyll cells. 21C is the answer. C4 plants are found among dicots only, monocots only. Both A and B is right. They are also seen in dicots and monocots, not just monocots, even in dicots. So 22nd is C. So it is C4 plants are found among dicots and monocots. In biochemical phase, fixation of carbon dioxide occurs by Rubisco. Or if they have asked the substrate, fixation of carbon dioxide occurs by Rubisco. So let us check the answer. 23rd, A is the answer. Rubisco is the enzyme. Photorespiration in C3 plants starts from phosphoglycerate, phosphoglycolate. It starts from phosphoglycolate. So the question number is 24. The answer is B, phosphoglycolate. Presence of bundle sheath is a characteristic of xerophytic plants, members of grass family, C4 plants, C3 plants. So C4 plants, they have this bundle sheath cells. So 25th, the answer is C. C4 plants. 6 carbon dioxide plus 12 water plus 12 NADPH plus A. It is going to give rise to so that A is going to be 18 ATP and B is going to be 18 ADP. So C is the answer for that. Overall reaction ಅಲ್ಲಿ 18 ATP ಇರುತ್ತೆ photosynthesis ಮುಂಚೆ. So after the photosynthesis ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 18 ADP ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. Okay. Stomata of CAM plants open during night and close during the day. So 27th, the answer is C. What will be the number of Kelvin cycles to generate one molecule of exos? Yes, cycle agbeku Kelvin cycle. 6 cycles it should undergo to generate one molecule of glucose. In case of C4 pathway, carbon dioxide combines with, so again it is easy, carbon dioxide combines with which? PEP. So the answer is D, PEP. 29th, the answer is D, PEP. 30th, for assimilation of one carbon dioxide molecule, the energy required in form of ATP and NADPH2R. For assimilation of one carbon dioxide molecule, the energy required in form of ATP and NADPH2R. One andre 3 ATP and 2 NADPH2. The answer is C, 3 ATP and 2 NADPH2. So that is the answer, 30th. The carrier of carbon dioxide from mesophyll cells to bundle sheath cell. So what do you call this carrier of carbon dioxide from mesophyll cells to bundle sheath cells? So they are called as, is it malic acid, or the answer to 31st, probably it is malic acid. So let us uh, find out. 31st, the answer is D, malic acid. Sunken stomata are usually found in CAM plants. CAM plants are all cactus members ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ sunken stomata is found in Crassulacean acid metabolism ಅಂತೀವಿ. Crassulaceae family includes this Opuntia cactus variety ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ B is the answer. Sunken stomata is a xerophytic character. So the uh, 32nd, the answer is B, CAM plants. B is the answer. Ribulose biphosphate carboxylase is located in, where is this located in? Golgi bodies, peroxisomes, chloroplasts, mitochondria. They are located in chloroplasts. The first step in dark reaction of photosynthesis is, what is the first step in dark reaction of photosynthesis? Is it formation of what? ATP, ionization of water, attachment of carbon dioxide to a pentose sugar is the first step in dark reaction. So 34th C is the answer. 35th, the first product of carbon dioxide fixation in C4 plants is, first product of carbon dioxide fixation, it will be oxaloacetate. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ carbon dioxide with oxalo, the first product of carbon dioxide fixation with phosphoenol pyruvic acid, they are going to form oxaloacetate. 35th C is the answer. 36th, in C4 plants, carbon dioxide combines with, yes, this is a repetition, phosphoenol pyruvate. Okay. In which cell of leaf pyruvate is converted to, in which cell of leaf pyruvate is converted to PEP in C4 pathway? So is it in, so the 37th, the answer is B. So it is converted into PEP. So pyruvate is converted to PEP in C4 pathway. This happens in mesophyll cell. Okay. C4 plants are abundant in, where are they abundant in C4 plants? Temperate regions or tropical regions with more dry condition, they are abundant. Tropical regions with dry conditions, you find the C4 plants. C4 plants differ from C3 plants in respect to number of ATP, substrate which accept the carbon dioxide molecules, the final product, number of ATP formed. So what do they, substrate which accepts the carbon dioxide molecules, that is where they differ from. So 39th, the answer is B. So in case of C4, it is PEP carboxylase, phosphoenol pyruvate accepts it. In case of C3 plants, so it would be the 3-phosphoglycer, the RUBP accepts the carbon dioxide. Okay. Choose the correct combination of labeling 1 to 5. So 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So 1 is what? Mesophyll cells. 2 is bundle sheath cells. So ಆ combination ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, 1 is mesophyll cell, 2 is bundle sheath cell. Then 3. So ಇವು ಎರಡು ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆಕ್ಸಾಲೋಅಸಿಟಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 3 should be carboxylation ಅಥವಾ fixation. 3 is fixation, 4 is regeneration, 5 is decarboxylation. So 3 is fixation, first one is mesophyll cell, second one is bundle sheath cell, 3 is fixation, 4 is regeneration. D is the answer alva. So D is the answer. Okay. So for this 40th question, the answer is D. 41st, in C4 plants, Kelvin cycle enzymes are present in. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ Kelvin cycle enzyme C4 plants ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Chloroplast of mesophil cells ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಾ enzymes. So Kelvin cycle enzyme ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ? It is present in chloroplast of bundle sheath cells. C3 cycle ಆಗದೆ bundle sheath cells ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So 41st B is the answer. Select the incorrect pair. 2 carbon compound aspartic acid, 3 carbon compound phosphoglyceric acid, 4 carbon compound malic acid, 5 carbon compound ribulose biphosphate. Yella correct ide. So 2 carbon compound is wrong. Aspartic acid is not a 2 carbon compound. So 42nd, the incorrect pair is A. 43rd, carbon dioxide fixation in bundle sheath cells occur in C4 plants. So 43rd is A. 44th, the stomata are open in daytime in if it is, andre hypothetical question it is, if the stomata are open in daytime in camp plants, carbon dioxide would be fixed by Rubisco. ಆ ಥರ ಓಪನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ರುಬಿಸ್ಕೋನಲ್ಲೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್? ಸೋರ್ಗಮ್ ಕ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅನಾಟಮಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಫೋಟೋ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ 2 ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್. ಯಾಕೆ ರಾಂಗ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ಡ್? ಫೋಟೋ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ 2 ಇಸ್ 680 ನ್ಯಾನೋಮೀಟರ್ ವೇವ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Photo system 1 absorbs 700 nanometer wavelength of light. So that is why the 45th question, the answer is B. Photo system 2 700 is the incorrect statement or wrongly matched. In the leaves of C4 plants, malic acid formation during carbon dioxide fixation occurs in the cells of, where does it occur? Phloem ಅಲ್ಲಿ occur ಆಗತ್ತಾ, ಎಪಿಡರ್ಮಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗತ್ತಾ, ಮೀಸೋಫಿಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗತ್ತಾ, ಬಂಡಲ್ ಶೀತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗತ್ತಾ? So the 46th question, the answer is C, mesophil. Mesophil ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, but they are also transported to the bundle sheath. Next, 47th, the zoology part of it, the human reproduction part that you'll come across. So testosterone is produced by, so is it Sertoli cells, Leydig cell, oxyntic cells, or is it? So the testosterone is produced by Leydig cells. Testosterone, the male sex hormone, is synthesized in seminiferous tubules, interstitial cells, vas deferens, prostate glands. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಥಸೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟೋಸ್ಟಿರಾನ್? ಸೊ 48, the answer is interstitial cells ಅಲ್ಲಿ testosterone, male sex hormone, is synthesized in interstitial cells. Sperms of an animal species A cannot fertilize the ovum of another species because, so the animal species A, they cannot fertilize because fertilizin of A and anti-fertilizin of B are not compatible. They are of different species. So A species sperms cannot fertilize the ovum of another sperms because fertilizin and anti-fertilizin, they are not compatible. So the 49th question, the answer is, sorry, the answer is B. It should be anti-fertilization of A because A is the sperm cell. So it should be anti-fertilization of A. Ovum bandi fertilization agate. Okay. So anti-fertilization of A and fertilization of B are not compatible. B is the answer. So partition of testis develops from tunica albuginea. So 50th, A is the answer. Tunica albuginea. So extrusion of second polar body from egg nucleus occurs after entry of sperm before completion of fertilization. So when does it take place, or is it after completion of fertilization? So the see, the extrusion of second polar body, it takes place after entry of sperm before completion of fertilization. So the secondary polar body from egg nucleus, they are removed. So fetus heart can be heard after first month pregnancy. So 52nd, the first one is the answer. A is the answer. Colostrum is rich in IgA. Colostrum is rich in, so 53rd, the answer is C, IgA, immunoglobulin A. Morula is development of stage between the zygote and the blastocyst. So morula mulberry stage anta kariತೀವಿ. It is between the zygote and blastocyst. So 54th A is the answer. 55th, human placenta is formed by, so both chorionic villi and uterine tissue. So both A and C. So D is the answer. It is formed by chorionic villi as well as uterine tissue. Human embryo will be called as fetus after 2 months. Still, then we don't call it as fetus, we call it as embryo. So after 2 months, we call it as fetus. Human embryo after 2 months, we call it as fetus. 56th A. Which is urinary bladder of child in womb? So uterus, liver, allantois, or amnion, which is the urinary bladder of child in liver. So the 57th, the answer is C, allantois. In embryo, cleavage brings about increased size, increased DNA content, increase change in shape and size, increased mass of protoplasm. It has increased DNA content. Urine test during pregnancy determines the presence of human HCG, human chorionic gonadotropin hormone. So 59th, the answer is A. 60th, so find the correct match regarding the human fetal development. End of 4 month. Okay. See, here we have to match the correct event. Third one is the correct one. End of 5th month, hair on head. It appears at the end of 5th month. So third one is correct. Of all this combination, so third one is the correct. Appearance of hair on the head. Fertilized ovum is transplanted in uterus after 7 days. So it is transferred in the uterus after 7 days. So B is the answer for 61st. B is the answer. Placenta present in mammals and act as an endocrine tissue and they produce. So placenta which is present in mammal, they act as an endocrine tissue and they produce. What do they produce? Placenta. So they are going to produce human chorionic gonadotropin. 62nd, the answer is A. 63rd, which one is not a placental hormone? So melatonin, it should be anyway. Let us check it. 63rd, the D is the answer. Melatonin is not a placental hormone. See, this is important. Retina, eyelids, brain, and skin in humans are formed from ectoderm. So, which layer? Ectoderm. B is the answer. Okay. 64th, the answer is B. 65th, the structure which helps in nutrition of embryo in placental mammals is, as usual, placenta. How old is the embryo when most of its organs are formed? So most of its organs by 6 months it would be. Anyway, let us check this. 66th, the answer is A. So most of its organs are formed by 3 months itself. 67th, the embryonic membrane involved in the formation of placenta in female is, which is the embryonic membrane? Is it allantois, chorion, amnion? So 67th, the right answer is D, chorion. Chorion is the answer, which is, this is the embryonic membrane which is involved in the formation of placenta in female. In a woman after hysterectomy, its ovarian cycle is stopped. FSH do not secrete after hysterectomy. So assertion and reason. So these are the combination, which is the right one for it. Assertion is true, but reason is not correct explanation of A. Notochord, skeletal system, and dermis are the derivatives of notochord, skeletal system, and dermis of these derivatives of mesoderm. 69th answer is A, mesoderm. Which of the following develop from ectoderm only? Liver, muscles, brain, liver, bones, brain, liver, spinal cord, skin, skin, spinal cord, brain. So the answer 70th one, the answer is D. Skin, spinal cord, and brain. Gestation period of 280 days is calculated from the time of last menstruation. So that is the A is the answer for this question. 71st, A is the answer. 72nd, the first movement of the fetus and appearance of hair on its head are usually observed during which month of pregnancy? So the answer is 72nd. The answer is B, fifth month. Appearance of hair already we have discussed about it. So fifth month. Which of the following tissue originates exclusively from the ectoderm of the embryo? Nervous tissue, exclusively it arises from the ectoderm of the embryo. The villi of human placenta, they arise from both A and B, that is chorion and allantois. Chorion, placenta, villi, allantois. So both A and B. So chorion and allantois, that is the answer. 74th C is the answer. Sorry, only the villi of human placenta they have asked. So it is chorion. So 74th A is the answer. 74th A is the answer. There was only chorion. I took even the placenta, that is wrong. So 74th, the chorion of human placenta is the villi of human placenta arise from chorion. So the fetal ejection reflex in human triggers the release of oxytocin from fetal pituitary, human chorionic from placenta, it is oxytocin from maternal pituitary. So D is the answer. 75th, D is the answer. So 76th, in human adult females, oxytocin stimulates pituitary to secrete vasopressin, causes strong uterine contractions during parturition. So B is the answer. 76th, B, it causes strong uterine contractions during parturition. The mammary glands of the female undergo differentiation during pregnancy and start producing milk towards the end of the process, pregnancy, by the process called as lactation. So the 77th C is the answer. 78th, thick, high protein fluid produced by mammary glands of women during first to 2 days, 2 to 3 days after childbirth is colostrum. The initial milk formation, which is highly rich in antibiotics, antibodies like IgA and proteins. So this is called as colostrum. So delivery of developed fetuses. So what do we call it as? Ovulation, oviposition, parturition. It is parturition. Giving birth to young one, we call it as parturition. Milk secretion in mammals is associated with prolactin. It is associated with prolactin. So the 80th, the answer is C, prolactin. Read the following statements and find out the incorrect statements. So the androgens are produced by Sertoli cells. So the spermatozoa get nutrition from Sertoli cells. Okay. See, A is correct answer. So Leydig cells are found in ovary. Incorrect statements ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Androgens are produced by Sertoli cells is wrong. Leydig cells are found in the testis, not in ovary. So C is wrong. Then Leydig cells synthesize androgens, that is correct. Oogenesis takes place in corpus luteum, that is wrong. So A, C, and E are wrong statements. So this is the Right answers A, C, E. So 81st. Remaining statements are all correct statements. So these are the three uh, incorrect statements. Match column 1 with column 2 and explain the correct option from the quotes given below. Hypothalamus. So that is going to column 1 with column 2. So is it sperm license, estrogen, relaxin, gonadotropin releasing hormone, or is it testosterone? So hypothalamus is GnRH, so gonadotropin releasing hormone. So A. So the question number is 82. So A4 acrosome sperm license. So A1. So A4 B1 Graafian follicle. So estrogen, Leydig cells, testosterone, parturition, relaxin. So all this combination you can see only in D. D is the answer for it. So consider the following statements, four statements, and select correct statement, true or false statement. The scrotum acts as regulator, maintains the testes at a temperature of 2 degrees centigrade lower than that of the body. True. The statement is true statement. Okay. Corona radiata layer of the ovum prevents polyspermy. So that is a false statement. So probably the answer is C. Okay, middle part of a ear is derived from the endoderm layer. Okay, true statement. The hormone chorionic gonadotropin facilitates parturition by softening the connective tissue of the pubic symphysis is a wrong statement. So the answer for the 83rd is C. C is the correct statement as I have already marked it. 84th, read the following statements correctly, carefully, and select the correct statements. HP help plays a major role in parturition. Fetus shows movement first time in the 7th month of pregnancy. Signal for parturition comes from fully developed fetus and placenta. Embryo's heart is formed by the 3rd month of pregnancy. Okay, so here the correct statements we have to. Uh, so 84th, the answer is only third statement is correct. Remaining, they are all incorrect statements. Signal for parturition comes from fully developed fetus and placenta. Okay. Third is the correct statement. This third stage of parturition is called after birth. In this stage, what do you notice? 1 minute. So in this stage, what we notice is, so the fetus, the placenta, third stage, placenta is expelled out. So the third stage of parturition after birth, that third stage is the placenta is expelled out. D is the answer. So 85th, D is the answer. 86th, hyaluronidase. So acrosomal reaction, corpus luteum. So progesterone, gastrulation, morphogenetic movements. So A1, so B3, A1, B3. So B is the answer for this 86th one. So gastrulation is morphogenetic movements, capacitation is sperm activation, cholesterol is mammary gland. So you find this answer for 86. The correct choices are in case of B, A1, B3 progesterone, gastrulation is morphogenetic movements, capacitation is sperm activation, D5, E4. So that choice is in B. So B is the right answer. 87th, in the following question, a statement of assertion. So we'll just read the assertion statement. Vigorous contraction of the uterus at the end of pregnancy causes expulsion. The stimulatory reflex between the uterine contraction and oxytocin secretion results in weakening contractions. So 87th, the answer is assertion is true, but reason is false. So the assertion is a true statement, but reason is false. So column one with column two, we have to match them correctly and choose the right answer. So parturition. So it is delivery of baby, not body. So baby from uterus. So parturition A3. So A3D is the right answer. It is going to be because that is the only choice. So gestation, it is duration between pregnancy and birth. So B4. C, ovulation, release of egg from Graafian follicle. C2. Implantation. So that is attachment of zygote to embryo endometrium. So D1. E5, conception, formation of zygote by fusion of the egg and sperm. Okay, so these are the right answers for 88. D is the right answer. 89th, which one of the following is not the reason for a very high load of bilirubin in a newborn? Excessive red blood corpuscles. Which of them is not a reason? That is incorrect statement. They have asked for the 89th question. So the incorrect statement is excessive. We have to select from this. So excessive red blood corpuscles in the newborn burst, releasing the bilirubin. That is a correct statement. Liver of the newborn is too young to cope up. That is also correct statement. Mother's milk contains a high amount of bilirubin. That is wrong statement. Insoluble bilirubin in the intestine is reabsorbed by the blood. That is correct statement. So C is the wrong statement. So the high load of bilirubin is not because of mother's milk containing a high amount of bilirubin. That is the incorrect choice or statement. And it is not a reason for bilirubin accumulation. So match the following. After 1 month, heart is formed. So A4, end of 2 months. So limbs and digits are formed. So A4, B3. So C is the answer for 90th one. So end of 3 month. So there is going to be external genitalia, C1. 5 month, hair on head. 6 month, fourth one, E, E5, eyelids separate. So C is the answer. So that completes our discussion on today's paper on the topic of human reproduction and photosynthesis. Okay. If you have any doubts or clarification, dear students, you can just get it clarified. ಏನಾದ್ರು